Korean Grammar for Beginners. Unit 1. Lesson 2. Conjugation of verbs and adjectives. One of the characteristics of Korean verbs and adjectives is that they both are conjugated according to tense, politeness level, passive and causative forms, and speech styles. Verbs and adjectives consist of a word stem and word ending, with their base forms comprised of the word stem plus ta. This form is also called the dictionary form. Accordingly, a dictionary search for such words will reveal their base forms, such as
가다,
to go,
오다,
to come,
먹다,
to eat, and
입다.
to wear. When conjugated, the word stems of verbs and adjectives do not change, rather,
다,
is replaced with the appropriate form depending on the speaker's intention. First, verbs. For example,
가다,
to go. 1.
갑니다.
It means go, goes. And it is formed as the following.
가다 플러스입니다.
Present formal ending. 2.
갔습니다.
It means went, and it is formed as the following.
가다
Plus
at
past tense plus
습니다.
present formal ending. Second, adjectives, for example,
좋다,
it means to be good. 1.
좋습니다.
Is good, and it is formed as the following.
좋다,
Plus
습니다.
present formal ending. 2.
좋았습니다.
It means was good, and it is formed as the following.
좋다,
Plus
at
past tense plus
습니다.
present formal ending. 3.
좋겠습니다.
It means seems to be good, and it is formed as the following.
좋다,
Plus
get
guess plus
습니다.
present formal ending.